On behalf of our team from University of Lübeck and HRI Europe, I'm happy to share our work in progress with you. We are doing research on human-AI teaming, and one of our fundamental research questions is how can we better understand the dynamics that are at play when humans cooperate with AI agents, and how can we use this knowledge to optimize AI systems? Currently, we see a crucial development in the design of AI agents. They are increasingly thought of as teammates rather than tools. Moreover, with the success story of conversational agents using natural language processing, the social dynamics within human-AI interaction become amplified. This creates a new challenge for AI designers from a psychological perspective, because agents will only be optimally adopted if they can navigate these social dynamics. But the question is, how can we measure the quality of AI agents in terms of teaming intelligence? We propose two subjective concepts that might be proven fruitful as optimization criteria for cooperative human-AI interaction, and these are perceived cooperativity and teaming perception. What do we mean with perceived cooperativity? We built this concept on joint activity theory, which postulates that for efficient joint activity, three requirements must be met. First, parties have to cultivate a common ground. Second, parties have to be mutually predictable. And third, parties have to be mutually directable. On an individual level, these behaviors can be understood as the ability and willingness of a team partner to contribute to a joint activity, and this behavior can be subjectively perceived. But teaming is more than the perception of the team partner. I am also responsible for the efficiency of the teamwork. In other words, we have to keep in mind that the perception of myself as a teammate and of the team as a whole also play a role. To this end, we conceptualize teaming perception as the subjective perception of myself, my partner, and the team as a whole in terms of collaborative effort, mutual support, contributions to our goals, and setting aside own goals for the greater good. Both for perceived cooperativity and teaming perception, we developed questionnaire scales, which were tested in a small pilot study. We did this with a unique setting for investigating human-AI interaction, which is the card game Hanabi. Hanabi has been named one of the next big AI frontiers because it's a game that inherently demands collaborative play and reasoning about the co-player's mental state. In Hanabi, game partners can exchange limited information through restricted communicative actions, which are even more restricted in digital settings than in person. In the last few years, a bunch of rule-based and reinforcement learning agents have been developed for Hanabi, which makes it so valuable as a testbed for researching human-AI teaming under controlled conditions. At HRI, a digital interface has been developed, and check out the GitHub link if you want to apply it for yourself. If our research focus, questionnaire scales, and study setup sounded interesting to you, be sure to check out our late-breaking work paper for the first versions of the scales and first descriptive results. Thank you very much.